What are your plans this weekend?
I'm actually going to Disney World and I'm so excited. I've never been.
Disney World in Florida?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I've been there.
Hey,
No way.
It was so
How
fun.
you guys doing?
Hey, good. How are you? I like your shirt.
Thank
That's a
you.
cool jersey.
Yeah, it's nice.
Thank you. Purple's kind of my thing. You know?
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Looks good. Looks
like
good.
it.
You guys got to check out this new camera I got. I was taking some pictures of Mark earlier in his vest, you know how he is. And it was kind of weird. You guys have to check this out.
That is...
That's interesting.
Kind of weird, right?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
What's going on?
I don't know. So I'm thinking, let's try another one. Can I take a picture of y'all?
Yeah,
Cool.
for sure.
All right. Besties, cheese. Yeah, you guys like.
What the heck is going on?
I have no idea. He was wearing his vest.
That's
and, like,
crazy.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
You good?
James, there's something wonky going on with your camera. I've seen a lot of weird things in my life, and this is not normal.
You think so?
Yeah, definitely.
It's brand new.
Something's wrong.
Oh man.
Okay guys, this is for our holiday card we're sending out to thousands of fans around the world. So look very professional, just smile, look at the camera.
Wait, where's Jod?
Who?
Jod?
Jod?
Brandon?
Oh, I don't know, just look at the camera. Let's just, yeah.
All
Look,
right.
there's no goofing off here.
You guys, I think there's something seriously wrong. That doesn't look anything like the picture we just took.
Yeah, James, this camera's totally bogus. There's something seriously wrong with it, like on a deep psychological level.
I'm gonna have to call customer service.
Mountain Photography, this is Erica. How can I help you?
Hey Erica, this is James. I was over at your guys' shop the other day and I bought a camera from you guys. I bought the low light camera, but I'm having some weird issues with it. Like I took a family picture and it looks like there's like a bar fight or something like that.
Weird.
Yeah, like I'm scrolling through some of these pictures and like I don't even know what, like it looks like there's a girl like robbing an old lady. I have no idea what's going on here, but like I have a family. This is highly offensive. I can't use this thing.
Do you have the serial number?
Yes, it's right there. Give me one moment. So it looks like the serial number is 677383332.
Not again.
Uh-oh.
You said this was your low light camera?
Yeah, I wanted to try and get like astrophotography and be able to use it in like dim situations.
You must have purchased our low life camera. Whenever it takes pictures, it turns it into low life people.
Is that even legal? If I understand this correctly, like if I took a picture of myself, it would turn me into like a low life, like a thug or something?
That's basically what it is for, yes.
Is this like a TikTok trend? Am I being punked?
No, that's trending. People love it. You should keep it. You should try it, actually. Try it with your family again.
I don't know. I might have to bring this thing back. We'll see. I don't know. I might have to see you later today.
It's pretty cool. You'll actually love it. You should just give it a couple more shots. Okay.
All right. Thanks, Erica.
In this episode of The Text, we learned James looks great in pink.
This is purple.
I learned that we're not very photogenic.
I think I'm gonna go steal some lady's purse.
What are you, some kind of lowlife?